Let's start with the introduction, short introduction. So, can you give your first?
Yeah. So my name is Sunil Khandekar. I'm from Goa and I've done my studies in civil engineering and currently for the last 8 years I've been working as a site engineer at construction site. So my hobbies are reading books, newspaper and having conversation with the people. That's it.
Oh, great. So, how long have you been working?
I've been working as a civil engineer for the last 8 years.
8 years. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's been a long time for you.
Yeah.
My name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. And my education, I have completed engineering in IT stream. And currently, I am also a working professional in one of the IT company. And along with that, I'm running my YouTube. You can say in my free time. And my interests are like dancing, traveling, and painting. That's all about me.
So you are also an engineer.
Yeah.
Yeah, engineer. Okay.
Yes.
So how long you have been working now in your
For me, it's 5 years.
5 years? Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, how was your college experience, like college days?
Yeah, it was for every student, college life is the most interesting part of their life. You can say. I just enjoyed. I wished. In short, I will say, if I go back to I like to time travel or something. I like to again live my college life again.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. Most of the people have their like lot of memories from their college and school life. So we always remember such kind of like every single incident we still remember, and I think we will remember this for our whole life.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how was your first day actually? When you went first time you went to your college. So how was your experience that day?
First day of my college. Yeah.
Yeah.
So initially, honestly speaking, I was actually very nervous. You can say my first day, not excited, but because most of my friends they were not they were some other other branches or some in other colleges. So I can say I was all alone. You can say my
Okay.
college around my class. You can say. But I had some friends, my seniors. They were yeah. I knew them. My seniors. They were there. Second year, third year, fourth year also. So, but in my class there, I was the only one, so I had no other. So I had to make new friends.
Hmm.
So on the first day only, I made one friend.
Okay.
So yeah, that's it. I can say.
Hmm. Yes, and I remember mine. I went with one of my school friend actually. So we were both admitted in the same college. So I had no such fear that first time I'm going to college because I had my friend with me. But once we entered into the college, so that time like we explored like whole college, the buildings and everything. Where is library? Where is canteen and everything, and we met with so many different people who are from different state different cities, and they were the different from our school days, because in school most of the people from the same place.
Yeah.
So yeah, but in college it was totally different. And I remember actually I have done my schooling in Hindi medium college, so they explained each and everything in English language, and the first time they told everyone to give their introduction on the stage. So that was the kind of terrific situation that time because in
Yeah.
my school I never tried this, so that's why. But yeah, somehow I was listening to other people how they are giving their introduction, so I prepared
You
in
also,
my head like, yeah.
you also given the same. You still style you copied and you also said.
Yes, yes, that was the kind of, I was afraid a lot that time because in school days I never did this kind of thing, especially I have the stage fear also, and I'm not that much of confident. But yeah, gradually we learned these things, and the first day when we met with so many people, and especially when you sat with some other people, so that was the person who is like your friend now, still your friend. So this is the kind of incident I had also.
I also remember because after one lecture of mine was over. I know some new teacher came. He also asked for introduction. So
Okay.
that time I gave nothing, nothing, not trouble for me to give introduction. So I just gave just like others. Uh, that was that. But also, but
Mhm.
I because I didn't have like my person who I know. So all were like strangers at least, strangers
Yeah.
from my first day you can say. But later I know
Hmm.
within 2 or 3 days I make friends. So later, as years, as days pass by, so I can say almost the whole class became my friend. You can say,
Yes, yes. Till the last year, we all become friends because now we know each and everyone. But
yeah,
the day when we entered the college, like first day and second day, that time we all were new to each other. And
yeah,
yeah, actually, the good thing is that they were from the diverse background and the diverse, like a state. So we got to know so many things about them, like from their like from where they did their schooling and what they learned and how their
yeah.
behavior and so many things.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That is actually very interesting. Also, because I also, just come to know many things because uh, there were students from all over the places. Some also from from outside states also they were also there from some native state of my Goa. Most of them now those were friends of yours. Who are there with you in college. Are you still in touch with them or just like to know?
We are in touch with them over the call only because I'm not able to meet them because most of them are from different state, so we are just connected with phone calls only.
Yeah, same here with me also. Because I don't know out of those I will say 70 students who were my classmates. I can say I am no I've been in contact with like a phone call or with 10 or 15 like that or actually meeting like physically meeting with them. I can say only 3 to 4 like that.
Yes, and I think in this age, or we can say now, we are a working professional. So most of them are working professionals. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
we don't actually get time on the same day,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
so that we can
Yeah.
meet or make
I
any
can understand.
plans.
Yeah, I can understand. So now, of course, some students they already know they are where out of country. Some they are out of state. Some are just they are engaged in government works. Some they started their own business. Very many some like just working like me. Or and
Hmm.
there are also few because who are either they change their stream because they started engineering but they are now doing something else.
Yes, yes. That's why we can say that everyone are busy in their own life, so
Yeah,
we hardly get time.
yeah,
Okay, so
yeah,
you are living in Goa, right?
yeah.
So
I'm
you
from
must
Goa.
have
Originally, I'm
visited.
from Goa, and I live in Goa and work in Goa only.
Oh, that's great. So you must have visited Goa beach.
Yeah, yeah, I visited often, but no, and I don't not just any special place to visit beach because actually I
Yeah.
live quite far away from beach because the place where I live is actually 30-40 kilometers away from coastal area.
Okay. Yeah,
Uh,
because most of the people have the dream, kind of dream that they want to
yeah,
go
yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Goa.
yeah, most of the
But
people there, I know, it's a tourist state, Goa. So most of the Goa's economy is mainly dependent on three items. The first is tourism, then fishing industry, and then mining industry.
hmm, yes, even most
Yeah,
of my friends already went there, and they always say like we should plan to go to Goa only, like that.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, they must have enjoyed the seashore and beach areas like that, and they must have come across some many some tourists also, international tourists, national tourists, and also there were very beautiful hotels in those areas. So they must have, I think, most of the tourists they like about this thing also. They like to. So
So
as
how
you
was your
educated,
experience? Like when you went there, so how was your experience? Because it is already in your state only. So sometimes it
yeah,
happens. We don't usually like our own things,
yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
whatever.
Yes, yes. I was about to say the same thing because we have seen it for no for days, so nothing any special like thing. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
I would like to
Yeah.
actually travel to some other states. where I can explore other things like like forts, like some mountain area, something like that, some desert area, something like that.
Mm,
Temple, some those are things I like to Whenever if I go to outside of Goa, so I would like to visit this such type of places.
yeah. Okay, so do you have any dream place that you want to visit?
Actually, I actually don't travel that much. I sometimes rarely, I can say in 4 year, 5 years, if I get a time, then only I travel. I'm not that, but I like to, travel too. Any dream place you can say, I like to actually first explore the whole of India first. Any place in India. First, I like to explore whole of India. It's my dream actually.
Okay. Yes. I have also visited many places in India, especially north side. So next time I want to visit south part of the India, and then we can plan for like foreign trip.
I'm also at the same time. Have you visited Goa before?
Not yet.
Yeah. So if you can have any plans, then you can visit Goa at that time. So most of the tourists they come to Goa during this summer time. You
Okay.
know, yeah. So they just want to enjoy. But most of the tourist seasons starts from till December to May. In that from December to May, most of the tourists visit Goa during this time period.
Yes, yes, you are right. I think this time would be perfect to go
Yeah,
any kind of beaches. Yeah,
yeah,
I will plan, but yeah, it as I mentioned that most of them are like busy in their own lives, so it's very difficult to make a plan,
yeah,
you
yeah.
know.
Yeah.
And we always think that
Everybody.
like when our whole like every member will be free, especially our friends, so then only we can decide and go. Otherwise,
Yeah,
if you are going to this kind of places and if you are going especially with your friends, so that time you enjoy a lot, I guess. So that's why.
yeah. Because yeah, you are right, absolutely. You live in Bhopal,
Yes,
Madhya MP, Bhopal city or like nearby place?
Bhopal, Bhopal city.
Yeah, okay. So tell me, just can you just tell me about anything about Bhopal?
Okay, so I would say that it's a good city, and most of the people like this city. I don't know why, but I guess they feel that there is no such kind of hustle and bustle here. Like and the moderate city, not too expensive, and there are other different places also to visit here. Like we call Bhopal as a city of lakes, so we can visit Lake View, that is very famous here, and there are some ancient temple and some museum, so it would be very good for you to if you want to come here, so you can visit this kind of places like Bhojpur, Sanchi, Bhimbetka.
Yeah,
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 these,
yeah,
even I have visited these kind of places now, but before some years back, I would say, till then I never visited my own city.
I understand. Yes, just as you mentioned, because there are also some places in my in my neighborhood also. I will say they're close to my within the some I can say within the 1 2 kilometer, but I never visited such type of place also close to me. So close.
Yeah.
So that also I just explored recently. So I just
Yes,
want
yes.
to like to explore. But I just as mentioned, we are working. So whatever time we get holidays, we have to plan.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah. Yeah. So madam, I just want to ask you another thing. As you said, I can make out you from the way you are speaking. So I found it actually very fluent in English. So why? Yes, ma'am. I'm not just just saying anything, but I can because what you asked me, I because I if you main thing which I found whom I call a fluent person in English that you can make the next person understand each and everything. So whatever you just ask me or whatever you reply, I'm able to understand clearly. So according to me, you are a fluent in English, you can say. But yeah, you have to work a little bit more than that also. Which you are working, I can see.
Yeah, I would say that there are a lot of room to. room for improvement. So still, I feel that I'm not advanced speaker, but yeah, now I'm able to speak properly with anyone because of just practice only. I'm consistent with my practice. I am not, putting extra effort, to be honest. Like this time I have to start like reading. This time I have to do listening. It's not a like fixed timing for me.
Fixed time,
I
casual, whenever you get time, you
Yeah,
do.
when I get time, so then only I. But yeah, speaking part, you can say that I'm consistent. Every alternate days, I try to speak with anyone, like 15 to 20 minutes. And the
Yeah,
listening part, before hitting the listening part, I do it regularly.
yeah,
Like some kind of a stories, or it is sometimes it is related to my study also, like related to my work stuff. So that time I do it.
yeah, yeah. Okay. So today it's a holiday for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's not holiday for me. Today I'm at my site, work site.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So whatever I get, just like I got actually whatever time I get for conversation, I get actually in my workplace only. Once I actually I don't have any fixed time as such. So sometimes I have to reach early at site and have to go. It can go up to late also, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. So by the time I reach home, I get very tired. So I'm not in a mood, not in a position to have a conversation. So whatever time I get with have a conversation, I get it on work site only. So I assign them the task. All are workers, and I just make time myself and have a conversation with the people.
Yeah, likewise. I do the same things. After completion of my work, I don't do any conversation. I don't know why, but that time I get enough time, but still I don't do it. I do it in my lunch time, when I get some time for my lunch. So that time I do one conversation, so that I can upload on my YouTube as well. Otherwise, after my office work, I get exhausted and I feel like no, I don't want to talk to anyone
Yeah,
now.
yeah, same here. Actually, from my point of view, I'm speaking. I got actually whether I get tired, so I'm not in a position to face the people. So my mind I just want to just relax and just have small nap or something or watch TV or something. So I usually don't have conversation with the people after I reach. So whatever conversation I have, I either have on on my work site or whenever I have total complete holiday like that.
That time, yes, likewise.
Yeah. Have again conversation with you whenever you are free.
Yeah, same here. It was a nice conversation with you. And till then, take care and bye bye.
Okay, bye.